Hi, welcome to Nina in the Kitchen. You may or may not know that I used to chef at a cooking school. I taught cooking and baking, and that was part of a restaurant, and it was also part of a retail space. So I'm making a recipe that I believe the executive chef came up with on his own. It's called Sriracha Pimento Cheese. Pimento cheese is sort of a cheese spread that people eat in the South primarily, but it is delicious. You can make a sandwich out of it. You can spread it on a sandwich with other things like chicken or whatever. So it's very useful. And what we're doing today is I'm just making that dip, and you can take this to parties. We have the big season coming up, so you can bring it with you, put it on toasts, put it in celery. You can figure it out. So let me show you what I've done here. I have a rustic bread. This is my sourdough bread, and I'm just cutting these pieces in half, but you can cut them smaller if you like. You can do whatever you want. I'm making these as toasts for the dip, so I'll get into those ingredients in just a moment. This is olive oil, cooking quality olive oil. I have my toaster oven heating to 325 degrees, 160 Celsius. I'm just dabbing this bread with a little olive oil. You don't want to slather it on too heavy because it will leak through. And you're just going to make these into these beautiful, delicious little toasts. I like this little size, you know, for dipping. And I'm just doing this one little sample size. I'm putting this in, I'm going to check it in 7 minutes. I want to say when we made these in the kitchen at work, then it was 7 minutes, maybe in 7 you flip it to the other side. I think that sounds right. So I'm going to put this in. I'll keep an eye on it, but I'll be right back. I'm just putting a damp towel down so that my bowl doesn't move all over the place. And let me show you the ingredients. I'm using roasted red pepper, and I wanted to show this to you so you can see what I've done. This is how it comes in the jar. You can see the roast marks. So some of it I diced into a fine dice, as you can see here, and then some of it I pulsed in my food processor because I do everything in my food processor. This is 8 ounces of cheddar cheese. It's a sharp cheddar, so that's half a pound. 8 ounces, 226 grams. And then here I have some cream cheese. This is 4 ounces of cream cheese, 113 grams. Just plop that in there. 6 tablespoons of mayonnaise. That is 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons. Next is the roasted red pepper or pimento. This is 3/4 of a cup, 144 grams. In she goes. 2 tablespoons of sriracha, or to taste. You know, sriracha is a hot chili pepper, and it's so delicious. There's so much flavor in that pepper. This is a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne. Boop, like that. That sounds good. And you can do this in your big stand mixer if you like. I'm going to put some of this cheese in now. Get it mixed in there. And by the way, everything was room temperature. I'll put the rest of this in. I think I am going to go ahead and use my mixer. Just to make sure that the cream cheese goes everywhere. All right, that's it. How simple was that? This is what is considered 8 servings. So if you have 1 baguette and you slice it thin and toast it, that's an excellent accompaniment to this, or the crudité tower, or whatever vegetable platter you have. This is a wonderful thing to bring, and I'm waiting for the toast to come out so that I can taste it for you, and I'm really excited because I haven't had this in a long time. I saw that I had the recipe and thought, I gotta do it. You can't buy it, you have to make it, and it's worth it.